Airports, delays, TSA stress. Let's skip the drama. In 2025, road trips are stealing the spotlight as more people choose the freedom of the open road over the chaos of the skies. So why not join the trend? Buckle up because today we're diving into 10 amazing U.S. destinations that are perfect for a road trip adventure this year. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travel meets financial freedom. We share travel hacks, affordable destinations, and inspiration to make your trips unforgettable. If you're ready to hit the road without breaking the bank, subscribe now, and let's get rolling. Let's start with the West Coast. First up, Lake Tahoe. Imagine crystal clear water surrounded by pine-covered mountains. It's like stepping into a real-life postcard. Fun fact, Lake Tahoe is the second deepest lake in the United States, plunging over 1,600 feet. It's a place that seems to call everyone, whether you're craving adventure or just some downtime. For those traveling solo, this is a wonderful opportunity to reconnect with nature at a relaxed pace. Enjoy a gentle paddle on a kayak or try your hand at paddleboarding across the serene waters. If you enjoy a bit of walking, a short scenic stroll to Eagle Falls offers beautiful views without overexertion. Families, you'll love it here too. The kids can splash around in the shallow areas near the beach, and you can all take a leisurely drive around the lake, stopping at Emerald Bay to explore the Viking-style stone mansion, Viking's Home. It's both fun and a little educational. Win-win. Pro tip: visit in July or August when the water is pleasantly warm. Let the calm and beauty of Lake Tahoe soothe your soul, whether you're seeking a bit of adventure or simply a peaceful escape. Hit the open road with confidence. Download my free road trip packing checklist and make sure nothing essential gets left behind on your next adventure. Next, hit the road for about 4 hours and arrive at Yosemite National Park, where the scenery is nothing short of jaw-dropping. Picture towering granite cliffs, roaring waterfalls, and iconic landmarks like Half Dome. This place is like nature's ultimate flex. And if you time it right, mid-February to be exact, you might catch the famous firefall effect at Horsetail Falls, where the setting sun makes the water glow like molten lava. It's like Mother Nature hired a Hollywood special effects team. For couples, Yosemite is pure magic. Imagine sharing a quiet moment at Glacier Point, watching the sun dip behind the cliffs, or strolling through the Mariposa Grove of giant sequoias hand in hand. If you're feeling daring, rent a tandem bike and explore the valley floor. It's a fun and surprisingly romantic way to take in the views. Pro tip: book campsites or lodges early, especially in summer. Yosemite may feel like the middle of nowhere, but trust me, you won't be the only one wanting to soak up its beauty. Get ready for one of the most breathtaking drives in the U.S., Big Sur. Winding coastal roads hug misty cliffs, waves crash dramatically below, and the iconic Bixby Creek Bridge looks straight out of a postcard. It's magic on wheels. And then there's McWay Falls, an 80-foot waterfall gracefully dropping onto the sand. Seriously, nature outdid itself here. Families, Big Sur is for you. Kids will love spotting the seals or exploring trails that lead to hidden beaches and tide pools. Stop at Limekiln State Park for a short, easy hike that ends with towering redwoods and old lime kilns. It's a nature meets history combo they won't forget. Pack a picnic and take a break at Sand Dollar Beach, perfect for skipping stones or just soaking in the ocean view. Pro tip: fill up on gas and snacks before heading in, and don't rely on cell service. It's patchy at best. Big Sur is all about disconnecting and connecting with the people you're traveling with. Seattle, Washington. Got your road trip playlist ready? Seattle's calling. It's a feast for the senses between the iconic Pike Place Market, the Space Needle, and Mount Rainier towering in the backdrop. Oh, and don't forget the infamous gum wall, gross but colorful. Solo travelers can explore the market, grab coffee, and take a ferry to Bainbridge Island for some peace and quiet. Art lovers can't miss the Chihuly Garden and Glass. Couples will love the romantic vibe at Cary Park, with city views and Mount Rainier in the background. For adventure, hit the Museum of Pop Culture and geek out together. The best time to visit, late spring to early fall, from May to September. Backtrack to the Redwoods in California because how could I forget? These trees are insane. The tallest ones hit 379 feet, basically skyscrapers in tree form. Walking among them feels like stepping onto the set of Jurassic Park. Minus the dinosaurs, of course. Solo travelers will love the peaceful solitude here, surrounded by nature's grandeur. It's the perfect place to unwind and reflect. For couples, it's a romantic escape, with scenic walks and breathtaking views, ideal for intimate moments in the forest. Families can also enjoy the awe-inspiring size of the trees while learning about the ancient ecosystem. Best time to visit: May to October for mild weather and fewer crowds. Here's a quick pit stop for some road trip wisdom. Pack layers. You'll hit every climate from desert to rainforest. Snacks are life. Don't skip the road trip munchies. And always charge your devices. No one likes a playlist interruption. Let's hop to the East Coast, metaphorically speaking, still driving here. New England is where autumn gets all dressed up. Vermont's trees go full rainbow mode, and Maine's coastal towns like Portland serve up lighthouses, lobster rolls, and major charm. Solo travelers can enjoy peaceful drives through colorful foliage and explore quaint towns. Families will love apple picking, visiting pumpkin patches, and enjoying scenic hikes. Couples? There's something magical about cozying up by a fireplace after a crisp fall day of exploring. Best time to visit: late September to mid-October for peak foliage and perfect fall vibes. Acadia National Park in Maine. Acadia is perfect for all kinds of explorers. Cruise along the Park Loop Road to soak up coastal cliffs, lush forests, and those salty Atlantic breezes. Bonus points for catching sunrise at Cadillac Mountain. It's the first place in the U.S. to see daylight. Solo travelers can enjoy a peaceful hike along the scenic trails or bike the carriage roads. Families will love the easygoing nature walks, tide pools, and picnics by the water. Couples? How about a sunset stroll along Jordan Pond or a cozy picnic by the shore? Best time to visit: late spring to early fall from May to October for the best weather and fall foliage. Next, Charleston, South Carolina. History buffs and foodies, this one's for you. Charleston is calling. Stroll down cobblestone streets, marvel at pastel-colored houses, and dive into the southern charm of low-country cuisine. Trust me, the shrimp and grits here? Legendary. But the fun doesn't end there. Head to Folly Beach for the sunset, and it'll feel like you've stepped into a painting. Solo travelers can explore the charming historic district. Couples will find a romantic vibe along the beach, and families will love visiting Fort Sumter and all the fun activities along the waterfront. And for a bonus, Charleston's home to some of the most beautiful antebellum architecture in the U.S. Number 9, let's roll on to Nashville in Tennessee, the heart and soul of country music. Nashville is a road tripper's dream with its honky-tonks, rich history, and some seriously delicious southern eats. If you love music, you'll find yourself immersed in it on every corner, whether you're at the Grand Ole Opry, listening to live tunes on Broadway, or exploring the Country Music Hall of Fame. It's a solo traveler's paradise for music lovers and history buffs, and for couples, Nashville offers a perfect blend of charm, music, and good food. Families? Nashville has you covered too with fun activities like the Adventure Science Center and the beautiful Centennial Park. Pro tip: if you've got some extra time, take a detour along the Natchez Trace Parkway, a scenic route that'll make your road trip even more unforgettable. Finally, Asheville, North Carolina. This is our last stop. Welcome to Asheville, where the mountains meet creativity. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, this artsy town is perfect for solo adventurers, couples, or families looking to soak up nature and local culture. Solo travelers, you'll love hiking during the day along the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway and unwinding at night with a cold craft beer from one of Asheville's many breweries. For couples, Asheville offers a mix of nature and romance. Take a sunset hike to see the mountains glow, followed by a cozy dinner at a farm-to-table restaurant. Families will enjoy strolling through the River Arts District and browsing the murals and galleries. Don't miss the Biltmore Estate too, one of the country's largest private homes. Best time to visit? Fall when the foliage is at its peak, or spring when the wildflowers are in bloom. Pro tip: grab my free road trip packing checklist and make sure nothing essential gets left behind on your next adventure. So there you have it. Epic destinations that'll make you forget airports even exist. Road trips give you the freedom to go at your own pace, stop for that quirky roadside diner, and actually enjoy the journey. Which spot are you hitting first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and budget hacks. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It's free, and it helps this channel keep growing. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.